Hello guys! So, i-share ko sa inyo yung aking skincare na ginagamit. Ito yung trending ngayon from Korea. Ito yung Madagascar Centella Cream. Ayan guys, trending siya ngayon, made from Korea. Skin 1004. Ayan guys, nakikita nyo to. Ito yung trending ngayon na skincare. Mabenta to sa Shopee at sa lahat ng online shop guys. So, itatry na natin. Ito yung Centella Cream na made in Korea. Ayan, maglagay muna tayo ng konti dito guys. So, ayan. Tapos, lagay lang natin sa ating mukha. Ang ganda to guys. Medyo pricey nga lang pero maganda yung kanyang effect. Yan, massage natin guys konti para ma-absorb niya. So, itry nyo na to guys. Itong Centella Cream Madagascar. Yan guys. Maganda siya. Meron din tong ampoule saka sunscreen guys. So, itong Centella Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Cream. Ito is 75 ml. Ang kagandahan nito, it has a moisturizer that helps calm, hydrate, and nourish skin damaged by harmful external environments. So, meron din tong apat na natural active ingredients of Centella asiatica into this one tube. Asiatic acid, madecasic acid, asiaticoside, and madecasoside protect skin from external pollutant and impurities. It has a dual function of brightening and wrinkle care with two main ingredients of niacinamide and adenosine. So, meron din siyang niacinamide guys. These two ingredients would turn your skin glowy. Yan, nakaka-glow and healthy by removing skin impurities and enhancing skin elasticity. Oiliness is removed from the cream by making it based on water and distributing oil to reduce the stickiness and oiliness. So, nakaka-remove din siya ng oiliness guys. Enjoy dewy and soft texture of this cream. So, Centella asiatica extracts, soothes, and replenishes skin hydration level. From forms of protective barrier for skin, niacinamide, yung niacinamide niya is, it helps with brightening the skin's complexion. So, yung meron talaga siyang niacinamide guys, nakaka-brightening siya ng skin. So, how to use? Ayan. Apply appropriate amount of face and pat gently with both palms for absorption. Use it as last step of skincare routine. So, yun guys. Kaya maganda talaga itong Centella Cream guys. Kasi ito yung mga trending ngayon. So, try nyo na to guys. Ito, made in Korea. Ayan. 75 ml siya to. So, yun lang guys. Tignan nyo naman, oh. Thank you guys for watching.